What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Zay with another brand new video, and today I'm going to do some more graphics today. So if you like this video, please comment and smash the like button, subscribe, and click the notification button. So let's get started, guys. So here we go. So I have 3 business cards right here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make your own business card in Adobe Illustrator. So let's begin. First you have to do is go to Google and search business card, and then you have to pick any 3 of these, and then just copy paste it and just put it in here, okay? And I already did this, so I'm going to make one business card out of these 3 business cards. By the way, guys, you can go with 4, 5, or even 10 business cards and then make one of each business card if you like to. But for me, I'm gonna do only 3. So I'm gonna make these 3 business cards into one business card. So let's begin with this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is the first thing that I'm gonna do is make the shape of it. Make the shape of the business card. So I'm gonna take out my pen tool and just outline the shapes like this. And I know it shows like this, but now it shows better. We're gonna make this black. So there we go. And now we got our outline. We're going to start off with our business card. So I'm going to take out this. Oops. Alright, there we go. There it is. Alright, so let's just start off with the... Alright, so let's start off with this. With this business card right now, we're gonna make this a little bit bigger and a little bit flatter because this cards are flat, you know. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is to make some kind of like stripes and stuff. Alright, so I think I'm gonna copy this. This curve right here. So I'm going to do that right now. So yeah, make sure the position is perfect. Okay, wait. Alright, boom. Boom. Now simply just curve it. Just like so. And boom, there we go. And then you can just click on this, and then now everything is stopped now. And now I'm going to select everything and click on the shape builder tool, and now everything is now connected now. Click on that. And now this is now connected. This is now connected now. Same as this. Alright, so the next thing that I'm going to do is to color this. So I'm going to click on the eyedropper tool and just click on this and then click on here. You have to select this first. So yeah, you have to select this, click on the eyedropper tool, and then magically, boom, like that. See, guys? This is like simple magic, but alright, so there we go. Now we have this now. Next thing that I think I'm gonna do is to make this one. So I think I'm going to bring out the pen tool again and then just shape out it. That. And make it like this. And we're going to click on this and this eyedropper tool. Eyedropper tool. There you go. Alright, so now we got that done. We have now completed with what? 15% on the business card. And now we're gonna go into this one. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go with this like curve on this thing. So I think I'm going to click on this and just simply curve it down like so, and just make the count with it. And now eyedropper tool, boom, just like that. And now we have to, and now it has this like stripe down coming in there. So I think I'm going to fix that real quick. I'm gonna, Alright, so I'm gonna now. Alright, I'm just gonna this. Curve it. Boom. And curve it back in. We have to fix this a little bit better now, so boom. Just like that. Make yourselves the curve. Like this. Yeah, just like so. Make sure this is perfect. Alright, there we go. Now we have to cover this. Alright, eyedropper tool. Alright. Alright, and yeah, so far so good. Alright, so now we're going to fill this with black. So I think I'm going to cover this entire... Actually, I'm going to shape with the tool this first, so... Just bring down this. Click on this. And now this is entirely selected now. This part. So now this is entirely selected. This part. Okay, this part. You can see this part is entirely selected. So now I'm going to put that back in and go to color and color this black. I say. I think I'm going to do the same design like right here, but a little bit better. So like it's like this and this. And then let's make this just like that. Alright. Now we got the basics of it. I realized that okay, we need to erase it. Cause I just made a little oopsie, so I'm going to fix that right now. So click on this. Here. On the shape. And just like that. Boom. Alright, I know it still shows it, but I'm going to fix that. Just like that. And yeah, that's pretty good. Next, I'm going to put the logo in like these. So I think for the logo, I'm going to sketch out this for the logo. So yeah, boom. That. And then eyedropper tool. I think I'm gonna go like this. And just put that in there. And just pop that in there. Okay. Now, I think I'm going to... Alright, I think I know what to do here. So I'm going to zoom out in this. I'm going to make some sort of zigzag. Which is coming towards this. And then like coming towards there. I don't know if this is my business card design or not. Actually, by the way, guys, I don't even know how to design a business. So it's up to your choice. So next step, I'm going to make the business name. So I'm going to bring on the text tool. And, So I'm gonna write it now, so. Alright. I know this is all blacked out right now, but I'm going to change it to white. Alright, now you can see it. So, I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger. And I think I'm gonna change this to Mount Pro now. Now I'm gonna change this to. I think I'm gonna change this to. I don't know what to change. I think this is pretty good. Okay, and there we go. Now we got this done. Now. And yeah, I think that's it for today's video right now. Alright, so thank you so much for watching my video right now. So yeah, if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I'll bye and see you on the next video. And by the way, don't judge my, don't judge my business card. I just tried my best, okay? So yeah, bye and see you on the next video.